Hi, when working with databases, you sometimes need to do things in transaction. A transaction like a list of insert, update, delete statements, and in this example, you either can do all of them together or none. This example talks about withdrawing money from an account in a bank. This is the account number and this is the amount that's to be withdrawn. As you know, you need to first check that you have enough balance and then withdraw the money and update the balance and create a transaction in the transactions table that this much amount has been withdrawn this time. So if we call this function here withdraw money, of course we first do the connection, Scott Tiger. The case is different here. The first thing we set the auto commit to false. Auto commit is true by default. So now whatever you do after this statement is not gonna be final. It still can be rolled back. So here I'm getting the balance. Prepare statement, get the balance from account ID, and I get what is the balance currently available in the account. Then I create a statement to insert a transaction that this guy has withdrawn this much money from account number and this much and this time of the day. And I updated account balance by deducting the amount from the balance. Although I'm calling execute update and execute query from here and there, still things can be rolled back because before I start, I set the auto commit to false. So now the last step here shows that I check the balance and make a commit or roll back. If balance is greater than amount, then I do commit. If you do commit all the DML statements done in the previous code, after you set the connection auto commit to false until here will be committed and will be final. Else connection roll back. So none of them will be final and they will be rolled back. So in order to perform things in a transaction using JDBC, you set the connection auto commit to false, as you see here, do whatever you want, and finally check the conditions or check whatever business rule you have. Then you either select commit or roll back. That's all about transactions in JDBC.